On 11th of July 2025, any koto aba eye Abrukman North rerun no mame akua afriye one Rabra Obin koto maba ensem bebre esisi ye no ena Speaker of Parliament say or swear in a Rabra Obin na hono ensem bebre ne siye den ne siye mekasa high Allen Media Ghana senedi kan hwe meso so be subscribe be like na do comment no so ato ho ede aman afi mu wura ensem ni mu Yetia ne say Speaker of Parliament say ene all swearing in a Rabra Obinum and a minority chief whip a year and not don't pray say or was some can na Speaker of Parliament say Sadia Obetrain no swearing in a way uria not your work and waka honor and not don't pray say any sanity dia only ne domino minority side no MPP for no omo to me and tnasem twen momon swearing in ye Sadia then this swearing in on babe no omo minority side MPP for ne dey omo yum ho afrim they are not part so they see and they said they walk out of parliament enya asem ketwa yenkwohwe emra ne yesori in ne siye ewo parliament ho na beti away
a quick comment before the member elect is sworn in, and I seek your indulgence to do this quickly before, with the greatest of respect, before the member-elect is sworn in, if you may.
Well, I don't know the nature of the comment. And so very difficult for me to take a decision in this matter. But we want to hear what it is, and then I can take a decision. Majority Leader, any...
Mr. Speaker, we have never done this before. So, Speaker, if he had either an urgent public matter or a matter of a personal nature or anything, our rules are very clear. He should have drawn your attention in conclave, discussed the subject, and getting an indication from you. But it will be a surprise to all of us. And I don't think that at this stage, this side of the House wants to support that move. I think that we should swear her in. After we have sworn her in, then whatever comments leadership may make, you can indulge us to make it. But to say that your exercise of your function should be arrested so that he will make observations. Are the observations of a constitutional nature? Are there legal objections that he intends to raise? What is that? And I don't think that we even want to hear what it is now. We are happy to hear it after the process is consummated. After the process is consummated. So I urge the Chief Whip on the Minority Whip to hold his fire. If he could not arrest anything at the Electoral Commission and could not arrest it at the polling station, it is not here this morning that he's going to be able to arrest anything. So I beg you, Mr. Chief Whip, Whip of the minority side, please hold your fire. Let the Speaker swear in the young lady. I know you didn't take her phone number. You can get it afterwards. And then we get the opportunity to make our normal ceremonial speeches and comments. So I beg you, let's not drag this matter. Let's have the swearing in, and then we can move to comments that both sides of the House may make.
I hope you are going to respond to what he said, not your observation or comment.
Speaker, I will forever respect you. And the leader also knows that Order 5 is not in ambiguity. It's clear. And those powers of the Speaker cannot be challenged by the majority leader. Speaker, I seek your leave to make a preliminary comment, and then I think we can go ahead and do the swearing in. Speaker, I'm at your discretion, and I seek your blessing as a father of this house to give me the opportunity to make a short comment.
Honorable members, the Minority Chief Whip, on behalf of the minority, has given notice that they have something to say. And so that will be said after I have sworn in the candidate. The procedure we have is clear in the standing orders. If you go through standing order 67, you see the order of business in the House. Again, when you go through the guidelines for speakers in handling the business of the House, it's very clear, after reading the communication from the Electoral Commission, the Speaker is enjoined to invite the member to be sworn in. That is what is the procedure. And so I'm enjoined by the established procedure and the conventions to invite her to be sworn in. After that, the House is given the opportunity to make comments. And whatever comments you have, you are prepared to do that. But actions are not stated in the procedure.
Speaker, I'm very sorry, and I say there is a lot of difficulty that if that is the turn of event, then we in the minority, for the records, cannot be part of the swearing in. Yes, we cannot be part of the swearing in. As a result, we are working on it. And this one is specific to the swearing in. Other businesses will engage in it.
Honorable members, we will first have to know which denomination or non-denomination she belongs to. Are you swearing by the Bible, the cross, or is affirmation, or by the Holy Quran?
Bible, please, Speaker.
Honorable members, clearly she has opted for the Bible. So she will swear the oath of a member of Parliament first. And you start with your surname and then the other names. So you say after me, I,
I, Obin Arabina,
having been elected a member of parliament,
having been elected a member of parliament,
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana,
as by law established,
as by law established,
that I will uphold,
that I will uphold,
preserve,
preserve,
protect,
protect,
and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana,
and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana,
and that I will faithfully
and that I will
and
faithfully
conscientiously discharge the duties of a member of parliament.
discharge the duties of a member of parliament.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Now
Thank
you proceed to swear the oath of allegiance. I
Obinna Rabina,
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
do in the name of the Almighty God swear
that I will bear true faith
that I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana,
and allegiance to the Republic of Ghana,
as by law established,
as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty
that I will uphold the sovereignty
and integrity of Ghana,
and integrity of Ghana,
and that I will preserve,
and that I will preserve,
protect,
protect,
and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana.
So help me God.
So help me God. Thank you.
Honorable members, I will now proceed to hand over to her the tools of our work. And so I have the first one being the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. And the second, the standing orders of the Parliament of Ghana.
Thank you.
I take this opportunity to congratulate the Honourable Member of Parliament for Ablekuma North constituency for an election. Honourable Member, you are welcome to the House. You have to proceed to append your signature to the oaths you've sworn and hand them over to the Clerk of Parliament. Once again, I congratulate you, being the youngest Member of Parliament. I urge you, please be punctual, be ever present in Parliament, be calm, listen more, learn from your colleagues, but please read everything, not only the Constitution and the standing orders. Read everything, because you are now the hope of the people in the constituency. They are looking up to you to do something to improve their lives. It is a trust. And this, I pray you don't abuse. 4 years is just a day. You will go back to them, and they will assess you this time based on your performance. So please, don't be misled by any person. You fought the battle, others only supported you, but it was your picture and name on the ballot box. And so don't allow any person to change who you are. They voted for you, even though on a party ticket. But there are many members on that party in the constituency, but they voted for you. Please commit yourself to them and be the woman that you are. You are the makers of the world. We will always rely on you to keep us going. So once again, you are welcome, and I congratulate you. You may now take your seat, and you are now a fully fledged honorable member of Parliament. You are welcome.
The Lord has done it finally. The Lord has done it.
Honorable members, I will now give opportunity to the leaders to have a word. Our colleagues decided to waive that.
And the fast forward, no, you never tell Kevin Taylor, so yeah, Kevin Taylor, when you need to dim, Nemum, Nasam Nansan ever cost no man found come back to 2020. A year National Communication Authority from NCA, Omon Sembi by a former boss chairman, a year friend Eugene Bafu Boni, and Mr. William Tete, only a former director general, and Nana Owusu Ansau, only a board member, and Haji Osman. On the former deputy national security coordinator. Sika bi for months say, sika 4 million US dollars ah. Omni ko bia kotua ka bi. Omu yi free NCA account mo omode ko no. Sika ne nya ne ntia say sika 4 million no, emu 1 million pe ene ko ye na say 3 million aka no ayira. Eno na Judge Safo cheba for yetra mo ensem so a na omudi ensem no ena judge anu watina dwam a wodi asem no Judge Safo cheba for etna asem no so no na say ni panan emu miensa ene ye sentence wo mu nana Owusu ensa do no de wonya ni tridim na wo ma ye do mu atum anase ye sentence wo mu no Mr. Bafu Boni a sentence no 6 years imprisonment and Mr. Williams 5 years imprisonment and afi Ahajin so 5 years imprisonment di asem you on the 12 May 2020 yes Samre nim ho na omudi ase no mko so omudi ase omunye ninye na yenua panyin Kevin Taylor etna ni program friend do with all due respect ne so no akika nsem bi say Judge Safu cheba for no MPP for na na ba betna o enu na odi asem ne sa okika nsem ya gu papa hu fin na papa ne sa ka video ni bi o hwe ndin no sa na Kevin Taylor yi wakanipa na yi hu ana na so check din na Kevin Taylor nim and the whole no issue statement be or issue arrest warrant be the to Kevin Taylor say Kevin Taylor oni Ghana into a case yan konkwa chene ne ade ebeche into o issue the to was say arrest warrant the to was say emra Kevin Taylor de na ibe si o man konkwa Ghana mu bia no yen che no emra Kevin Taylor be si Ghana bia no yen che no sa arrest warrant o ye no wanya nto say bia betwam wo ye to say e kopem say Kevin Taylor ebeka ne nsagu nebo na say sa warrant no I spy anya sa ebedi na chi kopem say ye beche no na emra no eni nedi na the Supreme Court ekotena na sem ne so na amukotena so no unia ense bebri na afrimu ede aba ma menke bi mo Supreme Court quashes Kevin Taylor's arrest warrant netie. The Supreme Court has thrown out arrest warrant previously issued against social commentator Kevin Taylor in 4-1 majority decision. The Supreme Court panel, which determined the case today, July 22nd, 2025, was presided over by Justice Imoro Amadou Tanko. The others were Justice Senya Zemefe, Justice Gibel Simon, Philip Bright Mensah, and Justice Ernest Gau. Kevin Taylor was spotted in high spirits after the judgment was delivered as he exited the courtroom with his head high in the company of his lawyers. Let us say, now seminar, omokwatna so judges enum no emu nine against say asem we enya asem a e wo say yes so ne ba betwe sre ne abasa indi wo say Kevin Taylor ntintini tietie mu nyina no Kevin Taylor onfa ni tiri eni dim wonko no onko di men na no nantenye de ope the ba ko na stand they said no asem no say ehwem nanso wa hwa majority carry the vote 4 against wo one de e be den tisisi ano de owura Kevin Taylor ene onye ni trade di ma say o pie free courtroom no no say be makunkun wa hwe ni suit hwe video ni bi kakra hwe kakra braces ya
Answer. Is there? Okay. Is there any word for Ghanaians?
I'll go. I'll go. Yes. Let's go.
right we see send it here no owura Kevin Taylor any hu no with all due respect host no yes on hu say bia wunim na the first time hu na ono no yes wa bagana abidi na asem nemum wanya ni ti edidim nemum the Ghana for asem in country owura Kevin ni say na wanya utre edidim no tutu anamo ye hwese no besi ayo program se na be ya endo ewo court bim e bia na wanya utre edidim na e kira no wanya uti anydim aha ala media Ghana